Yep, it's raining early. It's only 8:50. It's only 8:50 a.m. It's only 8:50 in the morning and it's raining. Yep, it's a pretty rainy Friday already. It's already a pretty rainy Friday. Not a good way to start a Friday. My cat Louise. He likes the rain. He likes the rain. He likes watching the rain. I'm watching out my window. Oh, Louise. Outside of my complex. Yep, outside of my complex. Louise! Yep, it's starting to come down this morning. Looks like we might get flash flooding again. I already got a virus flash flooding effective till noon. Yeah, this is not very good.